and girls, and welcome to Graphs Day 2. Yesterday, I introduced you to real object graphs. We learned that real object graphs are just that, when we graph with real objects. Here's an example. We've got markers and we've got crayons. And if you see the child here, they're graphing. They've asked the question, which do you prefer to color with, markers or crayons? And so the child lays out the answers by asking all their friends what they prefer to color with. So this side represents all the friends that like to color with markers, and this side represents all the other friends that like to color with crayons. We were also introduced to pictographs. We learned that pictographs are graphs that are represented with pictures. We have a label. The label here is the word motorbike, and the label actually tells you what the picture is about. Here is a pictograph of toys sold in a day. When we compare and we look at the number of motorbikes and the number of dolls, the number of ducks, and the number of cars, you can clearly see that more motorbikes were sold in a day than any other toy. We also learned what a graph is. A graph is a tool we use to organize data. Data is the information we collect. So a graph gives us information. So we gave the example of a birthday party. If your mom asked you to ask your friends what they would prefer, cupcakes or birthday cake, you can actually survey or ask your friends that question, collect the data, and sort it on a graph. And then you can compare, and then you can clearly see that the winner is cupcakes. More friends chose cupcakes than cake. So then mom would know, hey, I'm going to go buy cupcakes for your birthday. So let's create a graph together. We're going to create a pictograph. Remember, that's a graph using pictures. Which would you eat? Tacos or hot dogs? They both look great.